Uh-oh, is your basement flooding? Don't stress. Dealing with a flooded basement can be a homeowner's nightmare. But don't worry, we've got your back. First, ensure everyone's safe by cutting the power to the basement. Next, find the source of the flood and if possible, stop the water flow. Now it's time to call in the pros. A specialist can assess the damage and provide the best solutions to prevent further issues. For homeowners in Beaumont, Texas, call 409-230-1199 for a quick and reliable quote. Remember, acting fast can save you a lot of trouble later. Lastly, while waiting for the specialist, start removing any valuable items from the water-affected area to minimize damage, and always avoid wading through standing water in case of electrical hazards. Stay calm, stay safe, and let the experts handle the rest. Again, for emergencies in Beaumont, call 409-230-1199. We're here to help. So next time your basement decides to go for a swim, you'll know exactly what to do. For more tips and emergency services, visit our website or call us now.